Hi there, I tried the Summer Mystery Box from ColourPop, and now I'm ready to show you all of the details, including swatches of the eye palette and swatches of lip products and everything. So just keep on watching. As you may know, ColourPop came out with this Summer Mystery Box again, and I bought it. And now I'm going to show you everything. And it's still actually available if you would like to buy it. This is the one, $49. Let me just start with the swatches. So these are the swatches from the eye palette. So let's go through what was in the mystery box. First of all, we have the eyeshadow palette. It's the Just My Luck eyeshadow palette. That's what I've used today. I used this one. This is 50/50. I used Olive You. I used Mary Jane, which is the middle one. I used also the top one here, which is Chances Are. And I used this one down here, Too Matcha. It was a challenge, I can tell you that right now. But I don't know. I think it turned out quite okay, actually. What do you think? So on ColourPop's website, this palette goes for $14. And it was included in the mystery box for $49. Okay, so the next one that I used while preparing or while I was putting on my makeup is this ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil. It retails for $10 on ColourPop's website, and the name is Dewdrop. And next one, the one I'm having on my lips actually, is the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip. It's this one, and it's in the shade Major Throwback. It feels really good on the lips, so I can highly recommend this one. On my cheeks, I'm wearing the liquid blush, Weightless Liquid Blush. This one. This is color Angel Face. The mascara that followed in the box and that I'm using is the Level Up Lengthening Mascara, and it retails for $10. It also came with an eyeliner, which you can see here, in black. I did not use this for my eyes today. I used the Too Matcha from Just My Luck eyeshadow palette to line my eyes today, giving it a really green look. And here we have the highlighter, the Dew Liquid Highlighter in the color Immediately Yes. It's a warm soft gold. And I also used that one today. And we also have a lip balm. It's the smoothing lip balm in the color and taste or scent strawberry. And that retails for $8. Let's do some swatches of the products. The first one is the lip balm in the color strawberry. And it's really soft and nice, like a lip balm. It's supposed to be, I guess. As you can see there. Gives a nice shine. A little bit sticky, but it's not too bad on the lips actually. I already showed you a little bit of the liquid eyeliner, but let me show you again. Let's look at this one. Yeah, still sitting. Can't remove that one. I have the lip oil, the Luxe lip oil in the color Dewdrop. It looks completely transparent to me, but it says it should be light blue. I don't see any blue in this, do you? It's this one. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried it. Do you see any blue? Then we have the blush, the liquid blush, Angel Face. I really like this one. It's so easy and it's so easy to blend out. Have a look, you guys. And the color is just amazing. I love this color. You know, I love my blushes. Next one is the highlighter. Let's open it and put on some highlighter. On top here, maybe a little bit. So this is the shade Immediately Yes. And, oh yeah, it's a soft gold color. I think it's really beautiful. Hope you can see it. And then we have the Ultra Glossy Lip, which I'm having on right now. It's the Major Throwback down here somewhere. So it's a really nude color, but really beautiful also. Gives a lot of shine. I also received this one, So Juicy. Baby Panda. You can see it right there. This one. But that wasn't all, you know. I still have more makeup on my face. As you can see, for the concealer, I used the Coffee. That's the first time for me. Coffee in the shade Cocoa Crush. It was really easy to blend in, and I think it sits really good on the skin, so and on the under eyes. So I liked it. I think it's really good. I will try it more and give you feedback on that. For the lip liner, I used the Skin by Kim. And this is Nude, number 4. Nude 4. From Skin by Kim, which is now Skim, maybe. I don't know if you can buy it right now. Oh, and also, I don't have any foundation on today. I do have a skin tint, a serum skin tint from Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin. This one. And I'm using shade 4.5. Some of you know that I used to wear eyelash extensions all the time. I got really tired of them, and so my own lashes was really destroyed from that, so I decided to take them off. I've been using lash serum from Sweet Beauty, and it has helped a lot, I would say. I also used this one from Dior today. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but it's lengthening. The white one, you know, that you're putting on before the mascara. And that helps a lot on my lashes. And for the setting powder, I use the Sigma Soft Focus setting powder in the shade Vanilla Bean. And to end it up, I use the Tir setting spray. It's a waterproof setting spray. Really nice and soft spritz on it. Great. I haven't tried it to see how it works, like really for extended time. But I'll do that and keep you updated on that. Guys, I have a new bronzer. This is the one from Lancome. It says it's a skin transforming bronzer. This is color 2, which is light. And this is how it looks like. And it's really what is it with the luxury market? And I love that smell, that fragrance. It's so nice. So that's Lancome, you guys. Comment below what you think of the look. And also, do you think it was worth $49? Retail price, they claim, is $1991. To be honest, it's a mystery box, so you never know what you get. But for me, it was a good match. I received everything I wanted, or I can use all of these products actually. So for me, it was good. Maybe I would have preferred one of the other eyeshadow palettes, but it's kind of fun to try another look, you know? Do you like it? Maybe some of you are looking at my skin. No wonder why. It's been 8 weeks since I started with the Medicube HR Booster Pro. So that will be in the next video. My final thoughts. As you can see, I think my skin looks really good. Spoiler alert! But I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now!